Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can restore backups from Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now there are two ways, and I know this from the example of WhatsApp. It might be for all apps, it might not, I'm not sure. And this doesn't work for me on WhatsApp, but I've heard it and seen it done before, so I don't know why. But what you need to do is go into your settings in the top right and then go into manage apps. Then you want to locate the app which backup you made, for example WhatsApp, and click on options. There should be a restore option here. For me it is not visible, probably because the backup is not high quality enough, or has been corrupted or something, but that is one thing that you can do. The other one is to go to any device and, for example, mobile devices, in the case of WhatsApp at least, delete all local files, all local data, and then re-enter WhatsApp, re-log into WhatsApp with your old account, log in with your Google account, which you've used for a backup, and then you'll be well, met with the option where the app should offer you to restore the backup from Google Drive, and you should be good to go if you accept. And that's pretty much the only two ways I know of. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.